Unleash the unparalleled 4K power of your Sony A1 and capture footage that truly sings. First, let's dive into the core settings to maximize your 4000 output. Navigate to the shooting menu and select your desired recording mode for the absolute best quality. We'll focus on XAVC. This is Sony's interframe codec, meaning each frame is independently compressed, giving you maximum flexibility in post-production and the cleanest possible footage as it avoids interframe compression artifacts. Within the codec settings, choose XAVC. Next, we'll set the frame rate for cinema-like motion. A standard 24 or 30 frames per second is ideal. However, if you plan on creating slow-motion sequences, consider shooting at higher frame rates like 60, 108p, or even 120 frames per second in 4K. Remember, shooting at higher frame rates will require different codec options, usually XAVC, but the visual impact can be stunning. Now, let's talk about color. Select the picture profile and choose Sign Tone for a cinematic look straight out of camera, or PP1 through PP11 if you prefer to grade your footage yourself. For maximum dynamic range, consider using the Slog 3 or HLG picture profiles. These will give you the most flexibility when color grading in post-production, allowing you to recover highlights and shadows effectively, though they will appear flatter and less saturated directly from the camera. Don't forget about your white balance and ISO. Set your white balance manually for consistent color across your shots. As for ISO, the A1 boasts incredible low-light performance, but try to keep your ISO as low as possible, ideally below 800, to minimize digital noise. Finally, when it comes to audio, utilize external microphones whenever possible. The quality of your audio is just as crucial as your video. With these settings dialed in, you're well on your way to capturing breathtaking 4K footage with your Sony A1.